Complete beginners are making $3,000 a month with this. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your very own Shopify store using AI in just one day. Let's dive in. Step 1, Setting up your Shopify account. Head over to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. It takes less than 10 minutes to get started. Step 2, Choosing a profitable niche. Use AI tools like Oberlo to find trending products. Select a niche that interests you and has high demand. Remember, the right product can make you $3,000 a month easily. Step 3, Designing your store. Shopify has AI-powered themes. Pick a theme, customize it with AI suggestions, and make your store look professional. Step 4, Writing product descriptions. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate engaging product descriptions. These tools create persuasive, SEO-friendly content that captures customer attention. Step 5, Setting up payment methods. Shopify supports multiple payment gateways. Set up PayPal and a credit card option. Test each to ensure smooth transactions. Step 6, Launching your store. Once everything is set, hit the publish button. But we're not done yet. Let's catch your first sale. Step 7, Marketing with AI. Use AI tools like AdX